Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you how to build your first PHP program, and this is the second video of this series. In our first video I showed you how to install XAMPP server to access PHP files on your PC without having a web server. So if you watched our previous video, I showed you where to save your files within htdocs. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to build your first PHP program within your XAMPP server and htdoc folder. So if you watched our previous video, you must know how to access your website or your web application within the XAMPP folder in your browser. So let's start. We will create a new folder by the name of let me use my own name, Suhail, and open the folder in the htdocs, create new file and name it index, and remove the txt extension, replace it with PHP. I'm using Dreamweaver CS6 as HTML editor. You can use any editor, for example Notepad++ or Sublime Text, which both are free on the internet. You can find them on Google and install them, but Adobe Dreamweaver CS6 is a paid version, so it's your choice whichever you want to use. So for starting our first project, I just created a file within Suhail folder. So let's come to your local host and type the folder name after localhost. There are no contents yet because the file is empty. So for starting our PHP file, we will have to start code with PHP and closing with question mark and less than sign. So this is how the PHP code will work within these tags. We can also use HTML tags, for example starting HTML head and body. Now we can use these tags within the body or head or anywhere needed. I'll show you how to use them and what is the purpose. For example, within the body tag, you are writing something. In the HTML, you just write something within p tag or without any tag, so they will appear. This is my first application. Save the file and come to the browser. So it will be within p tag. If you right click and inspect element, you will see that there is only a paragraph tag here. But the same thing, if you type within PHP, you must have to use echo or print. This is my first application, and semicolon is the statement breakpoint. So if you come here and refresh the page, then you will see that this first line is without any tag and the second line is within p tag. So if to bring this first line within p tag, just type p within the echo, or just place p before and after the p tag, the PHP tags. And here it is. Now this is also wrapped into p, but you can also give this p tag within this echo. And refresh the page. Now both p tags are the same. So from these 2 or 3 examples, you may know how echo works. The same thing with print. This is my first application, print statement. And this is how print statement works. Print and echo are mostly the same, but sometimes we use echo and sometimes we use this print. There is another statement, print r, but that is for array. To print array we use print r, so that's not the thing that we discuss in this video. Now similarly, if we use this PHP within head tag, then we can use it. For example, if we use dynamic titles, we will start PHP tags and then echo title. This is the title of the page, close title tag. And you may ask that why we are using echo while these things are static. We can just write down this without the PHP tags, but the purpose of the PHP is to make visible the dynamic text. We will lately use variables and strings to use within these things, so we can change a value in the variable, and all the places where that variable is used, the value will be changed. So currently I'm just showing you how to use echo and print statements, so you can understand how it works. Now come, and you can see this is the title of the page, and which is within the head tag here. So that was all for today's video. In our next video we will be discussing constants and variables, and how to declare variables, and how to print them or how to use them on the page. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out future updates. Thank you.